Hey everyone! Welcome back to Maddie's Creative Corner. It's so good to have you here. Today we're going to be putting together a very summery look with lots of Fimo fruit slices, rhinestones, and caviar beads. Let's get started! So as always, we're starting off with bare nails. And for today's look, I thought it would be great to have the extra long nail tips. These are coffin tips from AliExpress. And to put them on, I decided to use sticky tabs. Now the sticky tabs are super easy to use, they're long lasting, and they're also not harmful at all to your natural nail. I actually haven't prepped my natural nail at all underneath, and these still hold on very well. As you can see, all you have to do is place the sticky tab onto your natural nail, remove the plastic top that keeps it secured, and then you can just really easily apply the fake nail onto your nail. After that is done, we're going to go ahead and apply a layer of base coat to all of the nails. And now it's time to show you my collection of fruit slices. I've had this for quite a while now and I have all sorts of different ones. To be honest, the avocados are my favorite, but I didn't want to include them in today's video. So what I'm going to be doing is I'm taking my wax pen and I'm just picking out a few different fruits that I like and putting them on the side. I will also use these beautiful rhinestones, and here I'm using some top coat to just use it as a base for the jelly colors that we're going to be creating. And I'm going to be adding drops of my desired colors right into the top coat. And after that I'm going to take a cuticle pusher stick and I'm going to go around and mix this color very well. I'm going one color after the other and I am adding a little bit more color into the mixture so I can make it a little bit more pigmented. We're still going to be building this color up, so you don't really need to worry about the opacity. We're just going to make it more pigmented as we go. Here you can see I'm applying a second coat of the color. And then finally I'm applying a third layer so that I can make the color a bit more intense. If I added more yellow into the mixture, I was scared that the color would be too cloudy and you wouldn't be able to see it as a jelly color. So after that was done, we're moving straight onto the pink color, and this one is a bit more pigmented as you can see. Once again, we're moving on to the second coat. And last but not least, we're going to be adding a third coat to make it a little more intense. Then we're gonna move on to the purple color, and I really like this color and how it turned out on the nail. It's super pretty and it reminded me of grapes. It's so cute. And for this one, I'm also going to be adding 3 coats. So after we have completed painting all of the nails, we're gonna go ahead and take my favorite Vanillissa nail glue. And we're going to apply a good amount on the part of the nail where the free edge starts. And right above that, we're going to add a layer of top coat. And now it's finally time to start adding the fruit slices. They're so cute. And I really just freestyled it and I just added all the colors that I liked, all the fruit slices that I liked. And then I went in with pink and dark pink rhinestones, as well as pink and silver caviar beads. And now I'm going to repeat the exact same process on the next nail. I didn't want to drag this out too much. It's pretty like freestyle kind of thing, so I'm pretty sure you can do it however you like if you just see me do it in a faster pace. Since the purple nail reminded me of grapes so much, I decided to add some grapes on it. Look at how cute they are. You can see them right there, which is applying them. A little bit of dragon fruit and some purple grapefruits, I guess. Still cute. For the yellow nail, I decided to go with bananas and citrus fruits, and I wish I had pineapples for these. I had a few pineapples, but they didn't really look like pineapples. They were kind of orange, so I chose not to put them on. But instead, I went with kiwi and little orange and lemon slices and a tiny little bit of a cantaloupe. And for the last nail, I'm once again going to be adding the Vanillisa nail glue the same way. And on top of it, I'm going to add a layer of top coat. And then some banana, kiwi, lemon slices, lime slices, orange slices. And then my beautiful rhinestones. And a lot of caviar beads. This is such a simple look to put together for beginners because you literally just make a collage of different Fimo slices and they look so cute. But the one thing you must not forget, especially if you're using clear tips and you haven't built the nail yourself, is to add a layer of top coat on the underside so you can make it more shiny and hide the numbers. And now it's time to show you what's on my other hand. And as you can see here, we have a beautiful bright pink French manicure with little white flowers and opal rhinestones. Follow me on Instagram to see more designs like this. And now it's finally time to add cuticle oil and finish off our design. And here's the finished look. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. It was so much fun to put together, and I really like nails that have bulky 3D decorations and a lot of glitter and rhinestones and caviar beads. They're so cute, you could literally eat them. So leave me a comment telling me what you thought of this nail tutorial, and if you would like to see similar ones with 3D nail decorations that I either make myself or I get online. And leave a like on the video, subscribe for more videos every single Tuesday. I have such an exciting video next week. It's my first collab with a brand and I'm so excited. So make sure to stay tuned for that, and I will see you guys next week. Bye!